Finding content is easy in Fotoware, and there are many ways to do so, depending on how advanced you want your searches to be. The easiest way is to simply use the search bar. Here, you can write in whatever keyword you like, click search, and scroll through the results. If you want to be a bit more specific with your search, you can add some logical conjunctions. For example, you may want to search for pictures of nature and the color green. The search bar also has a function for advanced searches, where you can add requirements for many different file attributes or other metadata criteria. For example, searching for images of nature that are landscape-oriented and that are part of the summer campaign. You may also set up predefined searches and making these available to your team as smart folders. In addition to the search bar and the smart folders, the Fotoware DAM also enables you to create customized taxonomies that the users can navigate within. These can, for example, be based on keywords, people, campaigns, or whatever suits your organization. If you want to learn more about how to use Fotoware, visit learn.fotoware.com or check out some of our other videos for more tips and tricks.